2000 Dodge Durango 5.9 liter Magnum V8. Right there, SLT edition. Still got a factory, or actually aftermarket converter there. High flow. Then 2.5 inch pipe. And we continued that with more 2.5 inch pipe all the way back into the tailpipe. All the way back. So we basically did a muffler delete right there. And the muffler is the huge long one right there. That one. So that's how you guys do a muffler delete on these. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it.
Go ahead.
Listen to that beast roar. It ain't your grandma's Durango no more. Listen to that idle. There's sound decibels. Again. It's actually like 104 because it's farther away. See where the sound decibels are and where it is. So it's about 104. Let you guys hear on the inside.